In today's video, we're breaking down how to use SMS marketing in Omnisend for flash sales, back-in-stock alerts, and delivery updates. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you sell products online, text messages are one of the easiest ways to get in front of customers fast. By the end of this video, you'll understand what SMS marketing is in Omnisend, why it's such a powerful tool for e-commerce, and how to build a few simple automations that are actually going to move the needle forward. This is so important because email alone isn't enough anymore, and done right, SMS can drive sales, reduce support questions, and make customers feel informed instead of confused. So let's get into it. Okay, so first off, let's start off with the basics and give a bit of an overview of what Omnisend is. So Omnisend is an e-commerce marketing platform that lets you send emails, SMS, and push notifications from one place. It integrates with your store and customer data so you can send targeted messages based on what people actually do, like buying a product, abandoning a cart, or signing up for updates. The part we're focusing on today is the SMS marketing. SMS means short message service, so essentially text messages that go directly to your customers' phones. It's different from email because it lands where most people interact every single day, which is their text inbox. Omnisend lets you send SMS as part of automated sequences or one-off campaigns. You can use it to tell customers about flash sales. You can let them know when something is back in stock or update them on delivery. You can also combine SMS with email in a flow to increase reach and engagement. Now let's dive into some of the key features before we get into the tutorial. So first off is the SMS campaigns and automation. So one core feature of the SMS marketing is that you can send text either as a campaign or as part of an automation. A campaign is something you send once, like a flash sale alert. Automations run based on triggers like a back in stock event or a purchase. Campaigns are really great when you have a time-sensitive announcement, and automations are better for lifecycle messages that you want to run over and over without any manual effort. Flash sale messaging. So flash sales work best when people know about them quickly. SMS is super fast. Most people read text messages within minutes, especially when compared to email. Omnisend lets you send a flash sale message to a list of subscribers with just a few clicks. You can schedule the message for a specific time, which is really great. Flash sale text should have a clear offer and a simple link to shop. You don't need long paragraphs, just really short and direct messages are going to get the best results. We're going to talk about back in stock alerts. So back in stock alerts are a specific type of automation that helps you sell products that were previously unavailable. When someone signs up for a back in stock notification, Omnisend can trigger an SMS when the product becomes available again. This is really powerful because the person already told you they wanted that item. A quick text letting them know it's back and ready to buy can convert at a really high rate. Now, they also have delivery updates. So customers do want peace of mind after they buy something. Of course, we all do. SMS delivery updates are going to let you send short text when an order ships, when it's out for delivery, or when it's been delivered. These aren't sales messages, they're reassurance messages that reduce support questions and build trust. Segmentation and personalization. So what's cool about Omnisend is you can segment your SMS list so you're not sending every message to every subscriber. You can group people by purchase history, location, or behavior. Personalizations also mean you can include the customer's name, product name, or relevant details in the text to make it feel even more direct and helpful. Because SMS is more personal than email, there are rules about consent. So Omnisend helps you collect opt-in and manage compliance as well, so you're only texting people who agree to receive text messages. This is going to protect your brand and keep you within legal guidelines. Okay, now let's get into Omnisend. If you don't already have an Omnisend account, you can go ahead and get set up by using our exclusive link down in the description below. That link will actually get you 30% off for the first 3 months with code ECOMMaster. You can just copy it and go ahead and click sign up, and it will be added. So once you're in, the navigation menu is over here. We've got our dashboard, so you can see your goals, you can see your overview, you can see a live view. Then we've got our campaigns. So here you can see everything that's already sent. You can see drafts, you can see sent, scheduled, and everything in between. Then this is where we'll create automations. You can create different workflows, email and SMS. You've also got forms. So if you have a lead magnet or, a 10% off first last order. You can go ahead and create that here. And then you've also got your reports. So this is where you can see sales, campaigns, automations, everything in between. First, we're going to go ahead and do a flash sale SMS. So we're just going to go to campaigns. We can create campaign. We can do create SMS. You'll go ahead and type in your campaign name. Okay, so maybe you just want to call it flash sale. Maybe you want to put the date on here too, because this is not what our recipients will see. Yeah, maybe we'll do like Feb 2026 flash sale. Maybe you want to put the actual date, whatever. Then you'll come in here and do the actual message. So flash sale, get 20% off today only, shop now. And then you'll go ahead and insert the actual link. You can select an image if you would like. You'll want to have this turned on because it will make it shorter and trackable. Unsubscribe option, so we always have to put that in there. And then you can send a test if you would like, or go ahead and go to next step. Then what you'll do next is all subscribers, or let me choose a specific segment. So you can go ahead and see as soon as you are done, it will calculate the actual price, and then you can go ahead, review campaign, and go ahead and send it. Next, we're going to go ahead and do the back in stock automations. So we're going to go ahead and go to automation, create workflow. They already have one. Amazing. So we'll go ahead and customize this workflow. Okay, so now you can see, guess what's back in stock. Okay, so this is an email, but we can go ahead and switch this to SMS, and we can delete this, and maybe we'll just go ahead and add this. You asked, we listen. The item you want is now back in stock. We can delete this email. If you wanted to do an email, you can also do that too. But here you can see we've got the workflow starts when you restock products that shoppers signed up will be notified. The trigger is product back in stock. Then you can go ahead and send this text message, or you can add something like this. You'll want to make sure you put the link in there. You know, good news, product name is back in stock. Grab yours before it's gone. Okay, so that's what's cool is you can add your unique product name in here. You can also add the specific link. Okay, then you can go ahead and click update, and then you can start workflow. And then as soon as something is back in stock, it will go ahead and send it. So that automation is now up and running. I'm gonna go ahead and delete this for now. Then we've got delivery update SMS. So again, we'll be in this automation section right here. We'll click create workflow. Maybe we'll just create from scratch. Okay, so maybe it is the order is fulfilled, and then we want to send a text, and then we can say order is on the way with the tracking link, and go ahead and click update, and you can click start workflow, and you're good to go. I wanted to touch on a couple quick reminders for your messages. So you really want to keep them short and focused. Always include a clear link, and don't send too many messages. Really respect their inbox, because if you bombard people with text messages, they're more likely to unsubscribe, which we really want to avoid. So again, just be really respectful and don't bombard them all the time. Even for me, there's a brand that I absolutely love, but they send so many text messages that I had to unsubscribe with them. But then there's another one that I love, and they send me messages a little bit less frequent and when they're more important, and I stayed subscribed to them. So again, I feel like texting is one of those things where it can get overwhelming really, really fast, and that's what we want to avoid, so they stay a loyal customer. We want to stay in their brain, but not enough to where they get annoyed with us. You also always want to make sure customers actually opted in before you text them. Now let's touch on some of the pros and cons. So one of the biggest advantages of using Omnisend for SMS marketing is speed. Text messages land super fast, and most people read them soon after they're delivered. This just makes SMS ideal for flash sales and time-sensitive alerts. Another positive is that you can combine SMS with email in the same automation. If someone ignores an email, the text can act as a nudge without extra tools or platforms. This centralization keeps your marketing easier to manage. Now on the downside, SMS lists are naturally smaller than email lists because people need to give a phone number and consent. That means you're not going to reach as many customers with text messages as you do email, but the ones you do reach are often a lot more engaged. Another limitation is compliance. Because text messages are more personal, there are just stricter rules about opt-ins and opt-outs. If you don't manage consent correctly, you're going to risk penalties or annoyed customers. Okay, now let's touch on the different plans and pricing options. So like I said, if you use our link down below, you can get the 30% off the first 3 months. So I'm going to go ahead and click see pricing. So depending on how many contacts you have depends on the price. Okay, so if you have between $251 and $500. The Pro plan is going to be $41.30 per month, and that's if you pay for 3 months up front, and the standard is $11.20 per month, again paying the 3 months up front. With the standard plan, you get 500 contacts, $1 in free SMS to try, 6,000 emails a month, unlimited web push notifications, account expert, and 24/7 priority support. Then with the Pro plan, you get 2,500 contacts. So again, this really depends on how many contacts you have. So you get global SMS messaging, unlimited emails, unlimited web push notifications, account expert, you get advanced reporting, and then personalized content. That is an add-on, but it's included for free in the Pro plan. You also get monthly bonus of $41.30 in global SMS credits. They do have a custom plan as well, but you do have to go ahead and contact them. Like I said, you can do personalized content. So this is $5 per month with the standard plan, but it is included in the Pro plan. It'll personalize campaigns and automations with product recommendations based on past purchase, browsing history, and custom rules. All plans include 24/7 live chat, 160 integration, sales and performance tool, A/B testing, pop-ups, signups, pre-built workflows, and a lot of amazing templates, okay? But again, I just want to note that depending on how many contacts you have depends on the price, so just some things to keep in mind. If you want to see what it would be like without our discount, you go ahead and toggle this on and off. If you're ready to step up your marketing and want a really quick way to reach customers with relevant messages, Omnisend SMS is definitely worth considering. It's especially helpful if you run flash sales, sell products that go out of stock, or just want to reduce support questions about order status. It's a great fit if you already have a list of subscribers and are ready to send targeted, value-driven messages. It makes sense when you want automations that actually work without daily manual effort. If you don't have a clear audience yet or are just getting started collecting emails and phone numbers, you might want to focus on building that list before you rely heavily on SMS. The tool supports growth, but the strategy matters more than the tool itself, of course. I know how overwhelming it can feel trying to decide which marketing channels actually matter, especially when every tool promises big results. SMS isn't magical, but when you set up simple automations like flash sales, back-in-stock alerts, and delivery updates, you're meeting people where they already spend time, which is their phones. So if you want to check out Omnisend and get 30% off for the first 3 months, make sure you use our link down in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content and tutorials just like this. This channel is dedicated to helping you grow and manage an e-commerce business with clear and practical guidance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.